Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, today we are going to talk about our birth star, that is our Janma Nakshatra. Many people get confused between the moon star and ascendant Lord star. All three are different. The moon sign, whichever is your moon sign, so moon will be posited in particular nakshatra. Whichever is your rising ascendant, that is in your first house, that also will be having some nakshatra rising with it, and as well as your ascendant lord, wherever it is posited, will be having some nakshatra rising. So, out of all, we are going to talk about our birth nakshatra, that is ascendant nakshatra today specifically, and how it will fruit when it goes in your Navamsha horoscope, D9 horoscope. Whenever we are assessing a horoscope, many things comes into picture, that which ascendant is this, where is ascendant lord lying, which are the other planetary combinations, which house is very activated at this time, which house is going to be activated after certain time, like after seeing transit mahadasha, we decide many events, or we are able to predict few things about native's life. But one of the important factor which I am going to tell you all today is connected to birth nakshatra, like ascendant nakshatra, not ascendant lord. I will give you simple example. If your rising ascendant is Leo ascendant, okay, so that could be Magha rising ascendant. Sun can be anywhere in the horoscope, or it can be in the ascendant itself. But here what we have to take, that in first house of horoscope, whichever sign is lying, that sign is having particular nakshatra, and that nakshatra plays crucial role in running our life. First thing. Second thing is this nakshatra related past life karma we are definitely living in present life, and some or other way we are connected to that life events, and we are connected to that relatives and that people coming in our life, while in a professional life or in a personal life, or during your college times you meet so many people. But how will be your growth, or how will be you as a overall person, will definitely depend on the nakshatra rising in your ascendant, and this nakshatra lord, where it is posited in your Navamsha Kundali. That house, wherever it is posited, your nakshatra lord, is becoming very very important and crucial house for you. That means many people ask us that for what purpose my birth is there, what is my birth purpose, or why I have taken birth, what is my dharma. So we have different techniques, we have different answers connected to that. This, you have different karmas, different dharmas, and different connectivity towards different houses of the horoscope. We cannot only pinpoint one house or one planet, okay, this is your karma, this is your dharma. But yes, definitely we can correlate certain episodes and factors of our life connected to ascendant rising nakshatra. Yes, friends. So what we have to do, just see which ascendant you are rising and which is the rising nakshatra for you. See the nakshatra position in your D9 horoscope, that house related your karmic or your birth is because of that relative, because of that signification residing in that house. I will give you simple example. If you are born in Rahu Nakshatra, say for example your ascendant rising is Aquarius, and Aquarius rising, and you are having Shatabisha Nakshatra as a rising ascendant. So Shatabisha Lord is Rahu. Now you have to see where this Rahu is lying in Navamsha horoscope. If this Rahu is lying in 7th house of Navamsha Kundali, then your birth is towards your partner, your spouse. You have taken birth just for this particular person, and your life will rotate around this person only. First thing. Second thing, it is a public house, so most probably you will deal with people, you will deal with public. Maybe you are working in any public sector, or you have to make lot of communications in your journey. Third thing, 7th house is also public reputation. Now it also depends on the strength of this Rahu in your D1 horoscope as well as D9 horoscope. That will decide your respect, your social status. Also 7th house is connected to some gun dharma, connected to your professional life, like because 7th house happens to be 10th to 10th house. So if it is lying in 7th house of D9 horoscope, that means that maybe in your initial life you were not very sure what you want to do, or you are not at all satisfied doing the work what you were doing, and then you are changing the stream, or always you are in a dilemma, what work I have to do. In other words, we can say if Rahu is good posited, then you have a clear path, clear vision, clear focus towards your goals. But if this Rahu is not well posited in D1 as well, then definitely we can say that person will take longer time to assess and to know its dharma and karma towards this life, or what work I have to do. I am not satisfied with this, okay, jumping from one sector to another sector. But after 42 age, right, after, because we have certain age of each planet, so after 42 age, definitely all the fundas, all the life management program is very clear in front of you, and then you are taking a decision, okay, this work is giving me gati. Gati means motion. This work is taking me ahead. What about earning and what about satisfaction? These both things will go simultaneously when you are choosing a correct profession, correct work for you. Money and respect and satisfaction will come hand in hand. So where your ascendant rising nakshatra is lying in D9 horoscope, that will totally decide your birth purpose, like for whom you have taken birth, how will be your professional life, how will be your personal life, how will be your traits, your characteristic. Rahu is a suspicious planet. You are not you do not feel like sharing many things with many people. Sometimes you are in happy mood, sometimes you are not. If this rising is Shukra, like your ascendant rising is Shukra nakshatra, right? So here, like Aries ascendant, and if you are Bharani nakshatra born in D1 horoscope, so you have to see where the Venus is lying in your Navamsha Kundali. If this Venus is going in say 5th house of horoscope, then you are creative, you have taken birth to fulfill your own desires, you are driving yourself towards all the material life, and you are getting people and money easily in your life, but you are not able to sustain it. If this Venus is not well posited, even though it is going in 5th house, you have to see which Rashi it is posited in and which ascendant is rising in your Navamsha Kundali. But one thing is very clear, because of your punya, because of your Purva